Welcome to this new DIY video. Cut a piece of cord approximately 50 centimeters long. Lay the cords of your bracelet side by side in opposite directions, so you have 4 cords lying parallel. Slide the cord under all 4 of the bracelet's cords. Your extra piece of cord is now positioned beneath all 4 bracelet cords. Take the right end of the cord and make a loop over all the other strands. Throw the left end of the cord underneath all the strands. Make sure it goes through the loop made by the right cord. Pull both ends to create the first knot. Now take the left cord first and place it over all the strands. Then thread the right cord underneath all the strands to form a new loop. Again, ensure the left cord passes through the loop made by the right cord. Pull both ends to tighten the second knot. Repeat steps 8 and 9 until your sliding knot is the desired size. Once you're done with the knotting, it's time to finish it. Cut off both ends, leaving a small piece. Carefully melt both ends with a lighter so they fuse to the sliding knot. Want to explore more DIY projects like this? Follow us for more creative inspiration.